Adding a favicon icon file for buscompanyx.com website. The icon file is 16 by 16 pixels, and it's named favicon.ico. Wikipedia has some good information about favicons, but I didn't use it. When I first set up my web server, my Chrome browser wouldn't stop asking for the favicon icon. It kept giving GET requests for it, and those would show up in the access log. After I made the icon and put it at the root of my web server in this type of file, my Chrome browser stopped asking for it. It didn't start asking for it again until I shut down the browser and restarted it. However, I also did one more thing to try to force it to do that. I added this HTML tag right here. Okay, you see this? And I placed this tag in the head tag of my index.html on the server. Now, when I open my browser and I go to my website, there it is. I have the icon right there. Not only there, but it also shows up right here. Okay? Okay, now in order for me to move the favicon file to the server, I placed it right here in my home folder on my Mac. Okay, I don't need it there anymore. Let me delete it. Okay, and then to move it from my Mac to the server, here's the command. I'm going to find the command I used. scp favicon.ico root at sam.buscompanyx.com, and then the path to where I want it to go on the server. And since I have SSH access to my server because of the SSH key that I have, I didn't have to enter a password here. Okay, so, alright, let me go to the folder, cd. Alright, there's my favicon icon file on the server. And I had to do a chmod because for some reason after the scp command it didn't show up here with an R for other. My favicon icon file was a PNG, and I used preview to make it 16 by 16, so I resized it, and it ended up as a PNG. Then I went to this other website. It was this website, iconverticons.com. And I just dragged the icon file and put it here and then download it. This is very useful. By the way, there's one more thing. I added the favicon.ico to my .gitignore. Icon files only belong on the production server, so there's no reason for me to have it in my Git repository for the project. Let me show you here. cd ... Okay. My gitignore file is here. nano.gitignore. Here it is, all the way at the bottom of my gitignore. And by the way, I did add 2 commits. Let me see. Yeah, here and here. So this affected my repository for no framework. Alright, that's it.